Hey guys, welcome back to the Proactive Lifestyle Series. Today what I want to talk about is foot pain, more specifically plantar fasciitis. I want to show you 3 different exercises or stretches here that can possibly help you alleviate some of the discomfort you're having. Plantar fasciitis can be a little bit of a struggle to deal with. It does take time. It's not a fast fix by any means, but these things can definitely help you out. So the first one I want to discuss is going after the bottom of the foot. This is very effective, but it's also very painful. So it's rolling the bottom of the foot out with either a golf ball. Here we have a lacrosse ball. What I like to do is, when you put the ball on the ground, you can either do it sitting or standing. I like to come with it standing. Obviously I'd be barefoot, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll the bottom of this foot out, but at each point you're gonna kind of stop and kind of put your weight into it. Kind of helps to have support here against something so you can not have full force on your foot, but you're gonna move it around to almost every aspect of the bottom of your foot, and you're gonna kind of stand on it with pressure for at least 15-20 seconds. And then also coming in and just kind of rolling it around, stimulate the blood flow is gonna help as well. But the big key is really putting pressure in the different spots of that foot. Again, you're gonna know it's not gonna feel good, but it's gonna help. I would shoot for at least 5 minutes, okay? Do that for at least 5 minutes. Don't cut yourself short on that one. Try to get the full amount on that, and that'll help out. After the ball, another great thing to do is stretch out the calf. A lot of times a tight calf can be the result of why you're getting some of that fascia pain. So what you do, you see a lot of people kind of come and stretch something like this. Not bad, not what I would suggest or prefer. When it comes to stretching, I like to go to the wall and kind of put the foot up against the wall. And what you're going to do is there's 2 different muscles, 2 different calf muscles. You want to hit both of them. One of them involves you just keeping your leg straight, bringing the hip towards the wall. Again, you have to adjust your foot height here on the wall to see how much pull you get. But coming in here, you should feel a pretty good pull down the whole backside of that calf. To hit the other calf muscle, what you do is you just bend the knee. So I'm gonna bend the knee and I'm gonna drive this knee towards that wall, okay? 3 sets of 10 with each of those, and being very, very consistent throughout the day. As much as you can, you wanna stretch those calves out. Besides these 2 stretches, a good exercise to help activate the muscles of the feet is to do something we call ski jumpers. And they're basically where you're just kind of leaning forward. If you watch some of the Olympic sports where they do the ski jumpers, they kind of have that forward lean, kind of how these things get their name. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to a wall, usually stand anywhere from 8 to 12 inches away, depending on how good you are with this exercise. Feet are flat, shoes are off, again. And what you're doing, put my hands up so I don't do a face plant in the wall here, but you're leaning as far as you can. You're not taking your head forward. You're pivoting pretty much right at your ankle. You're bending at your ankle to lean your body forward, and then you're gonna push yourself back out. This really stimulates the bottom of the feet. So I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna go as far as I can to where I almost fall, and then I'm gonna push myself back with my feet. Again, you are gonna feel the bottom of your feet really activate. You're gonna feel those muscles working hard to keep you up. Those are 3 very, very good exercises and stretches to help with foot pain. So try those out. Another thing sometimes we have to use is some orthotics inside the shoe. With these, I always encourage people that less is more. Most people have a pretty flat foot. Some of these art sports that you'll see are pretty substantial, and you'll put them in and they'll even feel uncomfortable. I like to use these things here called thin soles. As you can see, there's not much arch to them, but there's enough with your normal person that has kind of somewhat of a level or a flat foot. They're gonna feel this in the arch. And like I said, you don't need much. You don't want to overcorrect this foot. You just want just enough support to give that fascia a little bit of a break. So this is something that can also be very, very effective when treating foot pain and plantar fasciitis. So I encourage you, if you do have foot pain, try these things out. See how they work for you. They most likely, like I said, it'll take some time, take a couple weeks at these, but they should help you out. We'll see you later.